Good morning. So it is about 9:30, I think, 10 o'clock. And we are going to go do some more geocaching today. So that is where we're headed right now. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. Can y'all hear that noise? It's the electrical lines. And we're standing right under it. That's scary. Let's get out of here. Okay, this one is a little bit more off the road. It's 157 feet. So I am gonna walk over here to this tree because that's where I think it is. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. I had 4 geocaches that somehow I'd skipped. And so I have 2 more and then I'll have a complete line. And I'll try to show you what I'm talking about on the app. Oop, there's a little lizard. There's a lizard. Better watch out for snakes. Let me see if this is the tree or if it's going to be that tree over there. So you never know what you're looking for. So this one, it could be on the ground. It could be in the tree, like this one. It's a little micro. Yeah, little bitty one. So you found it on 1213.
Sweet. Been a minute.
Keep thinking, what is today?
Today is 1/6. Did you get her signed? All right.
Piece of old chair. Huh? Oh, I see it.
In the tree?
No, it's laying like it was in the tree, but it's on. No, you see that yellow? I mean that metal?
Oh yeah, I do. That's a bison.
Isn't that it?
Oh yeah, it is.
Pill bottle thing.
It is. It's a bison. Bison tools.
It's time for lunch, dinner, supper. I'm having the sweet kale mini chop kit. The salad. It comes with dressing. I'm not so sure I like this poppy seed dressing, so I'm going to taste it before I put it on there. And it comes with, what else? Some sunflower seeds, I think. Yeah. And the leftover fish that I cooked that you saw in a previous video. And Alfredo sauce, so I'm making me some spaghetti, so it's going to be fish Alfredo instead of chicken Alfredo. So that's what I'm having for lunch. Okay, it looks like it has pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and cranberries, dried cranberries. So I like that combo. Yeah. Alright, I tasted the dressing. It's sweet, so it'll be alright. I'm not usually a sweet dressing eater, but I think I'm going to eat it. I think it'll go good with the fish. Okay, there is my Alfredo, spaghetti Alfredo, and my fish. Really, that's too much food. And the salad. Oh, well, I will eat what I can eat. And the salad. Let's eat. Let's taste it together. That's tilapia. That's good. I'm trying to perfect a recipe And the recipe is from Cheddar's that we, when we went to go see the movie, I got the grilled tilapia. I think it was blackened, so that's kind of what I tried to do with this. And it was grilled tilapia and shrimp on a bed of rice with Alfredo sauce on it. And I was like, that just kind of sounds weird, but it was so good. So I'm really working on this recipe. Hadn't got it yet. Just tastes like, doesn't have that taste. So I missed something, but still really good. You shouldn't eat spaghetti. You shouldn't eat spaghetti on camera. All right, the salad is really good too with the poppy seed dressing. I think that sweet will set it apart. All right, we're about done with the fire tonight, but I have enjoyed my log movers. What do you call these? I'm not really sure. But Mike and Cindy, I love these. Thank you so much. They have come in handy. I've been moving logs. The place where we bought firewood today, they didn't have a box, so we just put them in the camper, and then I've been moving them from there to here. So yeah, I love they're not fire pokers, they're log movers. Yeah, thank you, Mike and Cindy. I love them.